Mao ni guys ang atong Nature's Detox food supplement of finest herbs in nanotechnology, good for the heart and blood circulation, no? Guys, bago lang ginako gigamit sa akong mata kay katong niaging mga adlaw pula akong mata kaayo na ay nagpundo nga dugo. I don't know kung sa radiation ba to, sige gamit og cellphone. Wala ko kay balo kay wala man ko nagpa-check up. Basta kanilang gyud akong gigamit, no, gipatakan ako akong mata. No, morning and evening ko gapatak sa akong mata ani. So 3 days lang siya nawala ang pula sa akong mata, katong tibugol nga dugo nawala na pod karon. So wala na nagpula akong mata karon. Nanindot ni siya guys na food supplement kay organic ni siya, no? Dili ni siya synthetic, no? So safe ta ani. Even sa mga bata, no? Akong mga anak mao ni nigihimo nilang food supplement. Mao na ni ilang vitamins karon. Kumbaga, vitamins, no? Gina-promote yun din ako kay daghan nag-benefit sa atong lawas, no? Mag-promote ni good health in a natural way, no? Mag-promote siya good health in a natural way. So, no, nang nag-avail ko anig stockist package kay ang akong mega stockist is from Surigao del Norte pa. Si Ma'am Christy Abarico Babayson. Siya akong mega stockist. So, medyo layo-layo man. Nag-stockist na lang ko. Para dili pod hassle nga sige padala sa mga courier, no? And beside, nakaless pagyud barato naman ang distributor package pero mas barato pagyud ang stockist nga package, no? So guys, ito yon karon pa ni nako na plaster na arrange tungod kay busy ang atong panginabuhi diri sa palengke sa Davao, no? Highly recommended to ni siya sa ito basahin ko ha. Weak immune system, poor memory, mentally stressed, Alzheimer's disease, asthma, sinusitis, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, arthritis, varicose veins, diabetes, insomnia, nerve problem, ulcer, urinary tract infection, kidney problem, prostate problem, liver disorder, cyst, goiter, tumor, dysmenorrhea, migraine, cancer, colon problem, myoma, osteoporosis, heart problem, stroke, digestive problem, cataract, poor eyesight, low libido, morning sickness, psoriasis, hemorrhoid, gallbladder problem, alcoholic, drug dependent, smoker, stress, wrinkles, no? So daghan gid siya guys og benefits, no, sa atong lawas, no? Very potent pud ni siya nga detoxifier. From Switzerland ni siya guys, no? A nutritional supplement from selected natural and organic fine herbs. The ingredients of Nature's Detox are grape seeds oil, Bacopa monnieri, and selected herbs. The formulation of these herbs have various health benefits. Enhances brain function, deals mental stress, addresses nerve problem, good for the heart and blood circulation, lowering the bad cholesterol and uric acid, recommended to those who have varicose veins and hemorrhoid, has anti-inflammatory properties to relieve body pain, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and related illnesses. Contains proanthocyanidins, a very potent antioxidant to prevent colon, prostate, stomach, lung, and breast cancer. Neutralizes acidity, which is beneficial to those who have hyperacidity and ulcer. Highly recommended for people having diabetes, for it contains linoleic, cleanses our body system, addresses kidney problem, colon problem, respiratory problem, such as sinusitis and asthma, enhances collagen production in our body because of its moisturizing properties and its vitamins and minerals. It is very good for our eyes, bones, teeth, nails, hair, and skin. So guys, no, indot yung kaayo, no, mag-promote gid siya